Did you know that pests can destroy up to 30% of your tomato crop? This startling statistic underscores the critical need for effective pest management. But don't worry, there are natural, eco-friendly solutions available. Let's explore how you can safeguard your tomato garden while nurturing the environment. Ready to discover the secrets of sustainable gardening? Welcome to our guide on naturally managing pests in your tomato garden. Eco-friendly practices not only protect your plants, but also benefit the environment. In this video, we'll explore effective, natural pest control methods that ensure healthy tomato growth. Let's dive into the world of sustainable gardening. In the heart of every tomato garden lurks a hidden challenge: pests. These tiny invaders, like aphids, hornworms, and whiteflies, pose a significant threat to the health and yield of your beloved tomato plants. Imagine meticulously nurturing your garden, only to find it under siege by these persistent pests. The impact is not just physical but emotional. Watching your hard work fall victim to these adversaries can be disheartening. Yet understanding the problem is the first step towards reclaiming your garden's vitality. Every gardener faces this struggle, but fear not, for solutions are within reach. In the next segment, we'll explore natural pest control methods. Discover how companion planting and homemade sprays can serve as your garden's allies. Stay tuned as we arm you with the knowledge to turn the tide against these common pests, ensuring your tomato plants thrive with resilience. As we venture further into eco-friendly gardening, it's time to uncover natural methods for keeping pests at bay in our tomato gardens. One effective strategy is companion planting. By growing certain plants together, like basil and marigolds, we create an environment that naturally deters harmful insects, reducing the need for chemicals. Next, let's turn to homemade sprays. These DIY concoctions, made with simple ingredients like garlic and chili peppers, offer a safe and natural way to protect your precious tomato plants from unwanted visitors. And don't forget about the allies already present in your garden: beneficial insects. Ladybugs and lacewings are just two examples that naturally control pest populations, keeping your garden thriving without harmful chemicals. By adopting these methods, we protect our tomatoes and contribute to a healthier ecosystem. As we continue our journey, let's explore more effective solutions to ensure a bountiful harvest. In the next segment, we'll highlight a standout method that has been a game changer for many gardeners. Stay tuned to discover how you can implement it in your own garden. Imagine standing in your tomato garden, finally free from the relentless attack of pests. One method stands out as a true game changer: neem oil. Used by gardeners worldwide, neem oil is a natural pesticide that targets pests without harming beneficial insects or the environment. Derived from the seeds of the neem tree, it disrupts the life cycle of common garden pests like aphids and whiteflies. Take Sarah, a gardener from Ohio, who struggled with pests for years. She decided to try neem oil after hearing about its benefits from a gardening group. The results were astonishing. Her tomato plants are now thriving, free from the usual culprits. This method not only saved her crops, but also rejuvenated her passion for eco-friendly gardening. But don't just take our word for it. Join the growing number of gardeners who have turned to neem oil as their secret weapon. The excitement and relief they share is palpable. So why not give it a try? Stay tuned as we explore even more strategies to keep your garden healthy and vibrant. Together, we can create thriving gardens that are both bountiful and sustainable. To recap, natural pest control strategies like companion planting and neem oil are effective in safeguarding your tomato gardens. These methods protect your plants and promote a healthier ecosystem. Embrace these eco-friendly practices for a thriving garden. Stay tuned for more tips on nurturing your tomatoes naturally. We'd love to hear your pest control experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help fellow gardeners flourish. And don't stop here. Dive into our next video for even more eco-friendly gardening tips. Let's grow together naturally. Subscribe and stay tuned for the journey ahead.